Unit 10, we learn about treble G. We learn about where all the G is from. First G on the right side is every good, which is here. And then you have on the left side G, all cows eat grass G here. And then the good birds don't fly away, which is the lowest G. So you have treble, middle, bass G. Bongo drummers. So you can see it's all on the left side. It doesn't mean you play with all left hand. You can also play with your right hand. You only need to find where the letter is. So on the line G for the good is on the left side. All cows eat grass G on the right hand. Bongo drummer. Start from left hand. Ready, set, go. G, right, G, right, G, G, right. Now move to C. Right, C, right, C. Now move to middle G. To right.